The rise of nationalism in Europe. Nationalism refers to loyalty and devotion to a nation. Nationalism is the desire for political independence of people who feel they are historically or culturally a separate group within a country. In 1848, Frédéric Soriot, a French artist, prepared a series of four prints visualizing his dream of a world made up of democratic and social republics. The first print of the series shows the people of Europe and America, men and women of all ages and social classes, marching in a long train and offering homage to the Statue of Liberty as they pass by it. As you would recall, artists of the time of the French Revolution personified liberty as a female figure. Here you can recognize the torch of enlightenment she bears in one hand and the Charter of the Rights of Man in the other. On the earth lie the shattered remains of the symbols of absolutist institutions. In Soriot's utopian vision, the people of the world are grouped as distinct nations identified through their flags and national costume. Leading the procession are the United States and Switzerland, which by this time were already nation states. France has just reached the Statue of Liberty, bearing a tricolor flag. She is followed by the people of Germany, bearing the black, red, and gold flag. Following the German peoples are the peoples of Austria, the Kingdom of Two Sicilies, Lombardy, Poland, England, Ireland, Hungary, and Russia. From the heavens above, Christ, saints, and the angels gaze upon the scene. Modern state in which a centralized power exercised sovereign control over a clearly defined territory. A nation state was one in which the majority of its citizens, and not only its rulers, came to develop a sense of common identity and shared history or descent.